Hello student, welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Our department is Humanity and Science. Our course code, that is subject Basic Mathematics, course code 22103. Myself Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. In today's lecture, we have to must focus about the topics remaining in matrices chapter, that is matrices unit 1 chapter number 3. So in this topic, in previous lecture, we study about the addition and subtraction of any matrix of any order. So let us focus on such topics. Then we continue the main topic about constant with. Let us start the addition of these two matrices. 3 0 allotted in row number 1, minus 5 minus 1 allotted in row number 2. 3 minus 5 allotted in column number 1, 0 minus 1 allotted in column number 2. Minus 1 4 allotted in row number 1, 2 0 allotted in row number 2, minus 1 2 allotted in column number 1, 4 0 allotted in column number 2. Now we have to must add these two matrices have the same order, 2 rows and 2 columns. That's why 2 by 2. So I take 3 plus minus of 1, 0 plus 4, minus 5 plus 2, minus 1, 0. So 3 plus minus 1, 0 plus 4, minus 5 plus 2 and minus 1 plus 0. We know that if subtraction is for the any entries, so 3 minus 1 it is 2, 0 plus 4, minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3 and minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. Now we continue the second example pattern. Now in this example, 7 4 allotted in row number 1, 0 minus 2 allotted in row number 2, minus 1 6 allotted in row number 3. Now 7 0 minus 1 allotted in column number 1, 4 minus 2 6 allotted in column number 2. Now subtraction we have to take, but we have to check the second matrix have same order of the column and row. Let us check. Minus 2 5 allotted in row number 1, 3 minus 10 allotted number row number 2, minus 3 1 allotted in row number 3. Now 3 rows are there. Yes, right. Minus 2 3 minus 3 allotted in column number 1, 5 minus 10 1 allotted in column number 2. So both the matrix have the order 3 by 2. That means 3 rows and 2 columns. Now it is easily to get the subtraction of that. 7, be careful, minus is there. So we can 7 minus of minus 2, 4 minus 5, 0 minus 3, minus 2 minus in bracket minus 10, minus 1 minus of minus 3, 6 minus 1. So 7 minus of minus 2, 4 minus 5, 0 minus 3, minus 2 minus of minus 10, minus 1 minus of minus 3 and 6 minus 1. So in these 7 minus, if outside bracket the negative sign is there, bracket sign will be changed. So 7 minus of minus 2, so it is 7 minus minus become plus, 7 plus 2 9. 4 minus 5, 5 is bigger than 4, middle sign is negative, so that's why it is minus 1. Next 0 minus of 3, so it is obviously 0 minus or plus, the element or entry remains same, so 0 minus 3 it is minus 3, minus 2 minus of minus 10, so it is minus 2 plus 10 it is 8, minus 1 minus of minus 3, minus minus plus 3, plus 3 minus 1, so it is plus 2, 6 minus 1 it is 5. So all the matrix in these have the same order, then we have to must define the final answer in previous example 2 by 2 order matrix, and in the second example obviously 3 by 2 matrix. Be careful about the addition and subtraction of the matrices. Now let us try some new pattern of the example which consult with the addition and we have to define the value. It is more easy. So you understand how to find the addition of the matrix. So solve for x and y. First we have to check the both the matrix have which sign. Oh yes, it is plus, so we have to take the addition, and in the right hand side they given the matrix have the order 2 by 2. Let us check. 2 minus 1 row number 1, minus 6 0 row number 2, 2y minus 6 column number 1, minus 1 0 column number 2, plus 5 4 it is row number 1, x 8 row number 2, 5x column number 1, 4 8 column number 2. So in a right hand side, minus 5 3 row number 1, minus 7 8 row number 2, minus 5 minus 7 column number 1, 3 8 column number 2. Now we have to compare the right hand side and the left hand side with the addition in the left hand side, and right hand side remains same. So it is the both these two matrices have order 2 by 2 and addition is between there. So each an element add here. So 2y plus 5 minus 1 plus 4 is 3, minus 6 plus x remains same, 0 plus 8 is 8. Right hand side minus 5 3 minus 7 8 allotted same here. The both the matrix have the same order, but difference is that here 2y plus 5 and minus 6 plus x is in a pattern of the equation. So no matter, it is in look like the one entry there. So it is A11 position, it is A12 position, A21 and A22 position. Here also A11, A12, A21 and A22. So we have the equal sign. So each entry goes to equal sign. How? 2y plus 5 is equal to minus 5. Minus 6 plus 6 equal to minus 7. 3 is equal to 3 and 8 is equal to 8. So these both entries are same. So we have to calculate these and compare. How? Let us try. 2y plus 5 is equal to minus 5. So 5 goes this side. So minus 5 is minus 10. So y is equal to minus 10 upon 2 minus 5. Let us take minus 6 plus x equal to minus 7. That's why we know that the minus 6 plus x, so 6 goes this side, so it is positive. Minus 7 plus 6, it is obviously minus 1. So we derive the value of the x and y, x equal to minus 1, I put here, and y is equal to minus 5, so it is minus 10 here. So here, if here it is, we derive how much answer? It is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 5, we derive the minus 5. And here the x is what? We derive minus 1. So minus 1, minus 6, minus 7. So our both x and y values are right. We have to compare that thing. Okay. So now let us try the more example. Oh, let us check. Here I allotted the pattern 3 2 1 4. 2 rows and 2 columns. Let's check. 3 2 first row, 1 4 second row, 3 1 first column, 2 4 second column, 3 2 row 1, 1 4 row 2, 5 3 row 3, 3 1 5 column 1, 2 4 3 column number 2. The order of first matrix is 2 by 2. Order of the second matrix is what? Oh yes, that is not. That is 3 by 2. So we cannot add them. Second example, yes, 3 2 1 4 minus 9 2 minus 1 3, we can add them because the 2 rows and 2 columns are there. In the last example, yes, 3 2 1 4 5 3, 3 rows are there. 3 1 5 2 4 3, 2 columns are there. Minus 2 5 minus 8 12 0 18, 3 rows are there. Minus 2 minus 8 0, 5 minus 12 and minus 18 column number 1 and 2. So we can add them. But in these here 2 by 2 and 3 by 2, we not add them. In this example also we have to check. Minus 4 3 1 9. First minus 4 3 row number 1, 1 9 row number 2, minus 4 1 column number 1, 3 9 column number 2. 5 1 0 row number 1, 1 2 3 row number 2, 0 4 1 row number 3, 5 1 0 column number 1, 1 2 4 column number 2, 0 0 1 column number 3. So order of these matrix is 2 by 2 and order of these matrix is 3 by 3. So we can't add them. So the addition is undefined. you can write as your answer is undefined. Here also let us check. 2 5 minus 1 3. First row 2 5, second row minus 1 3. 2 1 minus 1 first column, 5 minus 3 second column. Order is 2 by 2. 4 minus 2 0 7. 4 minus 2 row number 1. 0 7 row number 2. 0 0 row number 3. 4 0 0 column number 1 minus 2 7 0 column number 2. So we can have the 3 by 2 order and 2 by 2 order. So such matrix does not add the or subtract the matrices because they must have the same dimension. So you cannot add them. So dimension means order also. We have to check the word 2 by 2 and 3 by 2. It is the order of the both matrices. So we can't add them or subtract them. Let us confirm about the addition and subtraction of any two matrices is possible if they have the same order. So let us check from examples. A, B, C, D. A, B first row, C, D second row. W, X first row, Y, Z second row. So AC column 1, BD column number 2, WZ column number 1 and XZ column number 2. Both the matrix have order 2 by 2. So we can easily add A plus W, B plus X, C plus Y and D plus Z. So in second example, minus 2, 3 row number 1, 0, 1 row number 2, 2 minus 1 row number 3, minus 1, 2 row number 1, minus 3, 2 row number 2 and 5 minus 3 row number 3. Minus 2 0 row number 1, 3 1 1 minus 1 it is column number 2. Minus 1 minus 3 5 column number 1, 2 2 minus 2 column number 2. So we easily add these two matrices because these have the order 3 by 2. So minus 2 minus 1, 3 plus 2, 0 minus 3, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 5, minus 1 minus 2. So we have minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 3 plus 2 5, 0 minus 3 minus 3, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 5 7, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now we have to check the order of these matrices and these matrices. They look different. Yes, check out. Minus 2 3 row number 1, 0 1 row number 2, 2 minus 1 row number 3. Yes, right. Minus 2 0 2 column number 1, 3 1 minus 1 column number 2. So order of these matrix only is what? 3 by 2. Yes, right. Second matrix, minus 1 1 row number 1, 2 3 row number 2, minus 1 2 column number 1, 1 3 column number 2. So order of these matrix is 2 by 2. So we can't add the matrix because they have different order 3 by 2 and 2 by 2. Same continue from the example next, subtraction of example. In subtraction of operation, we have to must check order of the matrices. So 3 minus 2 row number 1, 2 0 row number 2, 5 minus 3 row number 1, 4 minus 1 row number 2, 3 2 column number 1, minus 1 0 column number 2, 5 4 column number 1, minus 3 minus 1 column number 2. So both the matrix have the order 2 by 2. So we have to take the subtraction. 3 minus 5, minus 1 minus of minus 3, 2 minus 4 and 0 minus of minus 1. So answer is minus 2, 2, minus 2, 1. In the second example, minus 2, 3, 0, 1, 2 minus 1, minus 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, 5, minus 2. Previous example, we have to take the addition. Here we have to take subtraction. So that's why minus 2 plus 1, 3 minus 2, 0 minus of minus 3, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 5 and minus 1 minus 2. So answer we define minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 and minus 3 1. So we have to take easily subtraction, but here subtraction is not possible because the matrix have the order how much? 3 into 2, 2 into 2. So subtraction is not possible in this example also because same continue example we have to take here. So it is very important to think about this basic concept behind this.